Okay, so let's look at this flowchart. It's super simple. We're going to start with this first question up here. We want to identify, is it a number or is it a category? Remember, categories are anything that's not numerical, right? So these could be phrases, words, descriptions, pictures, etc. Anything that's not numbers. If it's a category, we're going to take it this way. And then the next question we're going to ask here is, can we put it in rank order? If I cannot put it in order of rank, meaning I cannot take it least to greatest, then that's going to be a nominal level. If I can put it in order, I put my no here. If I can put it in order, then that's going to be my ordinal variable. And remember, we got that order part of the ordinal telling us that that is a rank ordered category. Now, if it is numbers, we're going to go over here. There's one special caveat here before we just start switching into interval versus ratio. First, I want to ask, is it ranges or specific numbers? And remember, we just talked about the fact that ranges are actually considered an ordinal variable. So if you have ranges of numbers, you're going to go over to that ordinal. If you have specific numbers, then you're going to continue down. So if you have specific numbers, we're going to keep moving down. Then the last question we're going to ask here is we're going to ask, does it have a true zero? And remember, that means if it does have a true zero, it means it can't go negative and make sense. So if it can go negative, that means it does not have a true zero, and that means we're working with interval level data. Let me move this up here. If it can go, or if it cannot go negative, then that means we're working with ratio level data. So let me adjust this a little bit so you can see the whole thing. So here is my completed, go a little further. Here is my completed flowchart. This is going to allow me to identify, starting from the very beginning, numbers or categories, categories versus numbers, that has that special caveat for ranges, ask about our true zero, and we have our nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio level data.